Hey guys, this is Alex Cruder of All Kids is Amazing, and today we're installing a nice quartz job. We got our stone right here. Oh no, I forgot it.
What? Oh!
What's up guys, Andrew here with All Kids is Amazing. It's a cold March day today. Today is actually March, I think it's the 18th. But really kind of chilly out. Actually, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's snowing. It's March. So anyway, we just got here. We just got our carpets down and everything. Now we just could grab some tools out and get those inside. Get a ramp up. Alright guys, we're gonna hook onto this. We're gonna hook onto this 400-pound island. Bring her up with ease. Look at this, guys. Without breaking a sweat. One finger operation. Alright guys, forgot to keep track of time, but it doesn't matter, we all know we're fasting. 3:08 for all you wanted to see it. But we're going to go up a little bit. Alright guys, up we go. And out we go. Wrong out. since it is cold out today, the stone picks up cold quick, so we're gonna have to heat these seams up before we do them. Alright, welcome to the Arts of Faucet Holes. Today, we're going to look for a faucet hole. So basically it says on sticker, we have only one faucet hole. So basically, what you can see right here, there's no faucet holes. Well, just a little bit of a tap right there. I hear it. And that's that. Now you just have to do, hit that out real quick. Alright, tune in next time for the Art of Faucet Holes. See ya. Alright, so right now Andrew's heating up the seam because of the cold weather. Right? That's right. Alright. Kelly's getting ready to glue up sink right here. One of our single bowl Crons composite sinks. Welcome to the art of gluing up a sink.
Hello folks, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. Here we are on March 25th, 2:45 p.m. This is part 2 of this installation. We're doing some full height backsplash. We have Kelly on the camera. Andrew's the boss today. I'm here to help. We're gonna see if we can get this done. We have a bunch of outlets to go around. Pretty fancy little windowsill. Let's see how we make out. Okay folks, we have this designed up right. This wall here will get installed first. We're going to have a windowsill. We'll use the piece to the right of the window as our variable that we would cut and trim and make everything line up as we go across, working to the left.
Alright guys, take one. First time putting the countertop up. Ouch, the other ouch. Alright, down. Alright guys, I'm gonna pick up this piece here. Gimbal endpoints reached. I remember my first day on the job.
You have to get it back on the thingamajig.
What's up guys, Andrew here with All Kitchens Amazing. We just finished up this beautiful quartz countertop with an OG edge, full height splash, incorporated the windowsill in, so we made it a stone windowsill. Everything overall looks fantastic. Leave a comment if you think so too. Have a great day.
I'm about to say